Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A 50 MW solar site can lose thousands of dollars before the next scheduled inspection even begins. The problem is not just detection speed anymore. It is compliance, documentation, and operational consistency at scale. Most utility-scale inspections still depend on scheduled field visits, manual thermography, manual reporting, manual escalation. That works until portfolios grow, because inspection frequency has limits: limited crews, travel delays, weather windows, and inconsistent reporting standards. And meanwhile, defects continue generating revenue loss every hour. Drone in-a-box systems automate inspection workflows using autonomous drones permanently stationed on site. The drone launches automatically, follows a predefined inspection corridor, captures thermal and RGB data, uploads results to the cloud, then returns to a charging dock, without requiring a pilot on site every day. Today's systems can already support thermal inspections, perimeter security scans, tracker verification, hotspot detection, construction progress monitoring, and post-storm rapid assessment. But the real value is consistency. Autonomous inspections are not just a technology question, they are a compliance question. Globally, operators must navigate aviation authority approvals, BVLOS regulations, geofencing requirements, pilot certification standards, thermal inspection protocols, and data retention policies. For solar specifically, standards like IEC 62446-3 define thermographic inspection practices, including irradiance thresholds, wind conditions, and thermal validation procedures. If autonomous inspections ignore those rules, the data may not support warranty claims, insurance documentation, or bankability reviews. That is why governance matters as much as automation. Autonomous monitoring reduces unnecessary truck rolls, inspection delays, manual reporting overhead, and response time to active faults. Instead of waiting weeks for the next thermal campaign, operators can detect anomalies continuously and build standardized audit trails automatically. For large portfolios, that changes operations from reactive maintenance to continuous asset intelligence. At ClearSpot AI, the goal is not just autonomous flight. The goal is operational workflows. Drone data is connected to SCADA signals, asset hierarchy, defect prioritization, work order pipelines, and standardized reporting frameworks, so the output is not just imagery, it is an actionable maintenance decision. Over the next 3 to 5 years, autonomous inspections will likely become standard for large-scale solar portfolios, but success will depend on 4 things: reliable flight operations, compliance with global standards, high-quality thermal data, and workflows teams actually trust and use. Because autonomy alone does not improve performance. Better operational decisions do. The future of solar inspections is not just faster flights. It is compliant, continuous, portfolio-scale visibility. Stop guessing your yield. Start building inspection systems designed for scale. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.